My name Sunana is Liti Ibrahim. My name Sunana is Liti Ibrahim.
How to quickly reduce noise in Premiere Pro. I have this clip on my timeline, and this is what it sounds like.
My name Sunana is Liti Ibrahim.
To reduce the engine noise in the background, highlight your clip. Go to Window and make sure Essential Sound is active. Under the dialog icon in the Essential Sound panel, go to Repair. Toggle on Reduce Noise and move it to around 7.5. Now your clip should sound like this.
My name Sunana is Liti Ibrahim.
You are welcome. Like the video if you like it, or share to someone you think may like it. Follow for more video editing tips.